So I want to spend just a little bit of time to explain to give another perspective on what makes deep neural networks special. And the thing that makes deep neural networks special are the following two qualities that take place simultaneously. The first quality that deep neural networks have is that they can express the right kind of extremely complicated functions that can solve the problems we want. So, for example, if you want to understand what's going on in images, you've got this really complicated function that maps your pixels to whatever is in the image, and your neural network needs to be able to express this function. If it cannot express this function, then you will not succeed, no matter how good your learning algorithm is. The second property that you need is that your system can be learned from data. You need both. You need to be able to express the complicated function and learn it from data, and deep neural networks achieve both of them.